Hi Tarot Bumblebees, it's Ethony and welcome back to my channel, and today I have got an unboxing video for you. This is the Tarot of the Kingdoms by Paige Ashmore, and I was sent this by, I believe, Red Feather. Yes, Red Feather, which is Schiffer. So they sent this over to me to share with you. Look at this gorgeous box. I love the colors. And I just want to kind of stare at the pencil work. It's really gorgeous. So we are going to swap over those cameras and check out the deck together. And I'm really looking forward to sharing Paige's work with you. Let's dive into the Tarot of the Kingdoms and look at this gorgeous box. Oh, so pretty. I love pastels, like especially like pink. Oh, and it's color. All right, we'll get into that in a minute. Beautiful backs. Holy, look, she's so gorgeous. I want a notebook with that on it. The cardstock is matte. It's like this, almost has a cardboard feel to it, like pretty fun texture. It is the same size as a oracle deck for, say, Hay House, etc. I'm really loving the backs. Okay. Oh, look at the borders. Look at the borders. See, they're all different. Oh, beautiful. All right, let's have a look through the deck. Full. I love, oh look, and there's like the little bear. I love that the borders are all rainbow for the major arcana. It's so colorful. The Empress. So this is, what a lovely deck. It's got a very dreamy, etheric feel to it. The Hierophant. Lovers. Chariot. Oh, I love that. Breathing that into being, playing that music. Strength. The only thing, and I'm not sure if this is on purpose, but if you have a look straight on, this is not even. It's on the side. And I don't know if that was meant to be. Like if that was just like a cutting error, but that's not the artist's fault. Oh, the Hangman. I have a feeling it was. I don't really care, but I know that that's been an issue with these little angels, Angel of Death, Angel of Temperance, an issue with this publisher. Oh, the devil is so cute. The Tower. Ooh, hopefully I'm not losing too much light. That's beautiful. Star. The moon is also gorgeous as well. That's so beautiful. The sun. What's really stunning artwork. Judgment. Oh, beautiful. The World. So we have air, Ace of Air. Oh, look, Fairy Godmother and very Cinderella. Three of Air. Oh, fairies. Tinkerbell, like almost like, no, I'm pouting, I'm Tinkerbell. Three. Oh, look at the Eight of Air. I feel like I'm kind of like, it's very whimsical and pretty. I love the artwork. It is very whimsical. It does feel very like this would be really, really good for inner child work. I really like the borders. Each of the suits has a different element to it. So we have the page, the knight, the queen, and the king for your court. Oh, the ace is beautiful. Phoenix. It is very like elemental, like the, which I have a feeling is what this is meant to be, is like the elemental kingdoms. And I love, well, I'm a witch, so I work with the elemental kingdoms all the time. And that's gorgeous. I feel like there's also a lot of mythology in these. Check it out in the, oh, it's good, in the guidebook. So when you lay out a reading with decks like this that have borders that are themed for every suit, it's really easy to see what, you know, if there's a dominant element in the reading, meaning, you know, if there's something that's overbearing it or suffocating it or whatever, what's playing on someone's mind. You can see what element is missing. Oh, she's beautiful. You can see all those sorts of things. Mermaids, the undines. So I really appreciate that about decks that have the borders, because especially when they're so well thought out like that, this is all elemental in its art, so you can tell it's been really well done. A story of like all these undines and merfolk. Yeah, it's interesting because these ones don't look as off cut. It was the major arcana. I don't care, like I will use it. It's not a, oh my god, Baba. It's not a big deal for me. So we've got the Divic, the divas, the tree divas. Not a big problem for me. It is what it is, but it's definitely not on the artist. It was the way that they were cut. Really beautiful. I love trees. How to tell if you're pagan? You love trees. Oh, that's gorgeous. Like I legit get so upset when they cut down trees. I hug trees all the time. I say thank you to trees. I'm now nurturing plants back to life. I'm shocked because I normally can't, but I'm really getting good at it. I'm going to become a crazy plant lady. So pretty. Oh, there's like a Christmas tree. That's gorgeous, like a gratitude tree. Oh, wow. That is stunning. That might be my favorite page. Look at that. So I think this deck would be perfect for anyone who identifies with like the craft, who loves Fae. She's beautiful too. Oh, the Earth Court are gorgeous. And then we have Spirit and the Universe as bonus cards. That is stunning. Look how gorgeous this artwork. Paige, you have done such a great job. Anyone who wants to work with the elemental realm, I have an actual course called the Elements in Tarot, which this would be really fun to work with. Let's give it a shuffle. I'm really looking forward to working with it. Shuffle as well. I mean, it's going to be a little bit sticky because it's got a very matte finish, but again, I'm one of these people that's like, decks are meant to be used, they're meant to be shuffled. If I want to keep it in pristine condition, then I will usually either buy a second copy for my collection because I am privileged enough to do so,
or I will just use the shit out of it. Like that's what they're there for. They're there to be tools. Like I have, for example, a second copy of the Dark Mansion Tarot, which is the special edition, 8 of Earth. And I will probably rarely use that because it's like a collector's thing. I've stopped doing that as much, but there are some decks that I was like, I can't not get a second one of this. And sometimes they go out of print, especially if they're by indie creators, and even sometimes with mass market, it becomes ridiculous. So Paige Ashmore, she lives in Arizona. Gorgeous hat. Okay, and then let's go to the movies. Oh, interesting. Introductions. Yeah, spirit. So it's all the spirit realms, the 5 kingdoms. So, and then a deck full of stories. And then we go into layouts, 1 card, 3 card, pentacle spread. Hopefully you can still hear me. Tarot numerology. The guidebook is so cute. Predominance of. Then the archetypes. And then we're going to go through to Earth. So we have this tree spirit is dancing in her own way with the Aurora Borealis as a veil. Divination meaning more than one way to express a talent you have, working on a creative project that will bear fruit, learning something new. Directions to take. There is more to learn about what you are engaged in. Take more training or a class. This can be one of the going back to school cards. So this is that feels very like connected to the 8 of Pentacles in the Rider-Waite. But I love that it's done in its own way. So you have a lot here to sort of jump in your own meanings and build on top of your own meanings of the cards or your own knowledge. Then the extra cards. And then finding your purpose. Oh, interesting. So there's a little exercise there. And then Tarot Alchemy. Lovely. What a gorgeous set. So I am going to link below where you can go and support this deck. This is a mass-produced deck, so you can get it at your local bookstore, Barnes & Nobles, Chapters, Demics are here in Australia. Oh, so gorgeous. Paige, you've done a lovely job. I'm really looking forward to working with this deck. Give this little video a little thumbs up or a heart if you can, and I will see you all next time.